As a good-looking man, you should understand that there's certain things you should never cross the line to. To maintain your good looks, good-looking men never cross this line. They make sure they're always on point, their attractiveness is always on high, and if you want to reach that level of attractiveness or handsomeness, these are the things you want to avoid in your life. Starting with having a victim attitude. You will not see a good-looking man having a victim attitude. Anytime there is a flaw with them, if there's something they don't like, right, whether it's being overweight, etc., they're going to fix it. And you have to think about it, right? When you start developing a victim attitude, it's no different than like the fat movement, right? How many girls, or I think even guys are part of this at this point, where they're overweight, they're clinically obese, they will die in less than 10 years, but they're pushing down your throats that being fat is beautiful. No one believes them. Like, no one really believes them. They're living in la la land. The point is, when you develop that victim mentality where you start attacking the world and thinking, no, it's your fault that I feel this way, you're not going to get anywhere. You're still unhealthy. You're still unattractive. You have to remove that victim mentality because that's the end goal. That's where you're going to end with no results. You look at yourself in the mirror. You see what you do not like about yourself, and then you fix it. You go to the gym. Your hair is losing. You start using minoxidil. Do whatever you got to do. The point is, whatever problem there is, there's almost always a solution. Number 2. A good-looking man will never step out without accessories. It is an abomination, almost, to step out without accessorizing up your outfit. You have to have a watch. You have to have a necklace. You have to have something, bro. Especially like a superpower, like a pair of glasses. You step outside without a pair of glasses, you're leaving so much at the door, bro. Like, a pair of glasses, it's like your superpower accessory to level up any outfit and look more attractive. And I don't know if you guys watched yesterday's video. If you haven't, go watch it. But I'm flying out a bunch of you guys. Like, thousands of you guys. I'm doing, for the first time ever, for Essentials, a subscriber collection where I'm bringing in hundreds. We already have, I don't even know how many thousands of people signed up, so I need to go through that list and figure out who I'm flying out. But hundreds of you will be coming to this office, and you're going to be helping me with the design process. I'm going to do the same thing with Jade Black. I want to bring, and the reason why for Jade Black is so important is because on top of getting collective feedback, democratizing the design process, right? It's now not only me, but also bringing the same people that were customers for the brand. And again, this is key, right? If you're going to come, you have to have shopped Jade Black. Because I want people that understand the product, that understand how to make it look good, and know the flaws, know the positives. That way we can make an even better product. So if you haven't bought Jade Black, you should go buy a pair, because those are the only people I'm going to be choosing from. There's going to be a link down below to a form where you can sign up to be flown out to help me design a Jade Black collection for 2023. And the cool part with this is, because we're going to get hundreds of you with different face shapes, different styles, etc., we can really narrow down designs to get to designs that we know universally will look good across the board on all men. Yo, this is going to be exciting. This is going to be an exciting year. The amount of collections we're about to drop, I just want to give you, I want to give you a foreshadowing. We're projecting 48 collections across all 4 brands. 48 in total. Already planned out everything. It's going to be a great year. And I want this Pro Member launch to be one of the best ones. If you guys want to sign up, it'll be linked down below. And remember, you have to have been a Jade Black customer. If you're not, you can click the link down below and buy yourself a pair of glasses. Number 3, they don't try too hard. Attractive men just understand that just being authentic, being relaxed, being yourself is always going to be better. The guys that try really hard are just tense. You can tell that the confidence is faked, which is why I've talked about. When you work so much on yourself, right, on your personality, on your intelligence by reading more, on your body by working out, on your skin, on your attractiveness, you don't have to fake anything. You're just that guy. 4, do not use pickup lines. Attractive men do not need pickup lines. And this is the mistake of ugly men. Ugly men believe that some sort of magical one-liner is going to make up for their lack of effort on their appearance. That's not how it works. Most of the time, those one-liners are cringy. You want to know scientifically what's the best one-liner? Hi, my name is. Literally. Hi, my name's Jose. What's your name? That's it. That is the one-liner that has been studied scientifically to have a 70% plus response rate. Every other one-liner underperformed. You don't have to overcomplicate things. Which takes me to number 5. Attractive men never neglect their hygiene. I want you to do a thought experiment with me. Think of every attractive man you know. Personal, celebrities, artists, influencers, I don't care. How many of them that you see them, you think, man, that man looks musty. Or man, that man looks dirty. That man looks like he smells bad. I've never met that. I've never met that guy. Because an attractive man is also hygienic. His grooming is always on point. His beard, his hair, his smell, his skin. It's part of the package. It's part of how you're wrapping yourself. Your hygienic process is ultra important, and most of you are not putting enough attention to it, which ultimately rolls me to number 6. Attractive men don't let themselves go. You're not going to find an attractive obese man. You're not going to find an attractive man that's all wrinkled up, that never take care. It's rare. It's rare. Most attractive men keep their looks on top because their discipline is on top. They continue to go to the gym. They still have their six-pack. Most attractive men that were attractive young, not all, right? There's obviously anomalies, but most of them, think of Hollywood. Now that they're like 40, 50, 60, they're still good-looking men because they stay fit. They take care of themselves. They still take care of their skin. You cannot let yourself go. The most important part when it comes to your looks is the discipline to keep those proper habits that you know will keep you looking good.